This 2014 BMW 5 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW 550i xDrive M Sport Package Cold Weather Package 4.4 LVOHC Bi-Turbo V8 Engine 8-speed automatic transmission all-wheel drive system navigation system rear view camera keyless and keyless start fog lamps cruise control adjustable steering wheel power automatic windows power door locks alpine white exterior black leather interior floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for a detailed walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 550i xDrive M Sport is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the revisit us at autogallerychicago.com.